Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to delete your Dola account. Well, here in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete your Dola account. But before we delete our Dola account, I'm going to give you a few tips on how to delete a message first. Because sometimes if you want just to delete a message here in Dola, it's very easy and simple. All you need to do is hold on the image right there. Then click on delete from chats. But first you can press on that and then click right here, and then click right here. If you want search history and you want to find something right here, and search history right there, and you can delete it right there, or you can just delete it the whole chat right here by just holding it and remove chat. After doing that, click on the profile in the bottom right corner. Now we're gonna delete our account. Then click on the settings at the top right corner, then go down right here. As you can see right now, we are here, there. And as you can see, if you're asking where do I delete my account, should I go to privacy access and where's the delete account? There's nothing there, because sometimes Dola is a bit tricky. It's right really in front of the plain sight right here. As you can see right there, Dola account, that's this big thing right here. So before I do this video, I first asked myself where's the delete account right here, but then I realized there's a big button right here, Dola account. Because it's white, it blends in right here, so I didn't know this. So I just need to click on that. After clicking on that, all we need to do is press on delete account right here. As you can see right now, delete account, you will not be able to log in and access your previous account information. All your data will also be deleted. This cannot be undone. Then we're gonna click on delete. There you go. As you can see right now, we have deleted our account here in Dola. So to continue, you need to log in your link Google account first. There you go. So click on delete now. There you go. Your account's been deleted. So there. I hope you guys liked the video. Because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type the comment below. And if you have any questions, you can type the comment below. I'm happy to answer you guys. And thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.